Way to grab me the conference of Ang Mutya ng Section E, The Dark Side. Now, sino dito yung mga sumuporta pa na Season 1, guys? Sino yung mga andito na since Season 1? Yes, Day 1, Day 0. Yup. There we go. I want to see all of your Sintra boards. Come on. I see Ashley's official also here. Team Andres official. Sino ba? Sino ba yung mga dala Sintra boards, guys? Yeah, hello. Hi, guys. Maraming salamat for being here with us. You know what? Season 1 pa lamang. Grabe na ang impact. At pagmamahal na pinakita nyo sa amin lahat. I'm talking about global audience, okay? From being trending to millions of views online, Ang Mutya ng Section E captured hearts. Hello, Direk! What a breath of fresh air. I'm a fan, Direk. I'm a fan. Take the center stage, Direk, for a photo opportunity. Wow! In this venue. Wow, the superwoman behind this amazing masterpiece. Maraming salamat po, Sarah. Justin Lim. Hello, Justin. Please take the center stage. Very beautiful as always. I have picture. Justin, can you please go there for a small photo? Deserve natin makita yung ganyang beauty, Justin. Come on. Very beautiful in red is Rafa Victorino. Take the center stage. There we go. I wonder kung sino Mika yung makikita natin sa Dark Side. Hello, Sarzo. Hi, please take the center stage for a photo opportunity. Smile. There we go. Our living Freya, ladies and gentlemen. Hello. I wonder kung paano i-shake na Ella yung buong section E. I wonder what your strategies and tactics are. Tingnan natin. The Dark Side. Maraming salamat. Very beautiful. Angela Muji in the flash, ladies and gentlemen. Smile for the camera. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Guys, up next. Brothers here. Take the center stage. Ayan, mas protective na daw siya kay JJ ngayong Season 2. Let's see kung paano niya ipapakita at isasabuhay si Percy sa Season 2. Thank you so much, brother dear. Okay. Chris, Andre, Eliana. Hello, Andre. There we go, brother. Picture muna tayo before you go to your seat. Our living areas of flesh, ladies and gentlemen. Let's all welcome back on stage Rory AJ Ferrer. Hello, AJ. Picture ka muna dyan. Sabi, the one with all the info and a knack for stirring things up. I wonder how are you gonna do it, brother dear. We are so excited for AJ for Season 2. Maraming salamat. Up next, Josh Kyosu Ginto. Hello, Kyosu. There we go. Ano naman kayo makikita ni Kyosu sa Season 2? Ang dami mo masyado nakikita. Let's find out. Directing na natin ano makikita ni Kyosu this time around. Thank you so much, brother. Hello, Daniel Long. There we go. Picture ka muna. Take the center stage. At syempre, kung may mayo. Hello, Nick. There we go. Samsung. There we go. Samsung in the house. Always with the vibe and the good energy. Smile for the camera, Sam. Ayan na po. Tech Mastermind. Ano, feeling ko di naman nalalayo sa totoong buhay na Samsung yung Tech Mastermind eh. This guy is... He is that guy. De Jesus! Hello, Eman. What's up? Take the center stage, brother. Picture ka muna dyan. Okay. Up next is a singer with a playful side. Okay. Hello, Derek. What's up? Picture ka muna dyan sa center, yes? There we go. We all love Blaster, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Hi, Michael. Picture ka muna for all the cameras surrounding you right now. We are so ready for you for Season 2, brother dear. Jesus. Hello, Yan. There we go. Picture ka muna, Yan. Before you join our Ulupongs down here. Ano namang gulo ang aabot ang ibigay mo sa amin, Martin? Anong kaguluhan na naman to? Picture ka muna for the cameras, Martin. Up next, siya naman yung basketballista foodie ng Section A. Si Reyes! Hello, hello, Kurt. Picture ka muna. Smile for all the cameras. Pose, brother dear. Up next is Alex, played by Ethan David. Hello, Ethan. Picture ka muna sa center stage. Ooh, playboy turned loyal boyfriend. Tingnan natin kung paano mo isasabuhay yung role mo yung season 2. There we go, Frost. Smile for the camera. Thank you so much. Hello, CN. There we go. Nation's Bunso, I'd like to call him. tama, diba? Thank you so much. Ryder Red Escanio. The newest addition to the story of Amutiana section. Ipalakpakan naman natin, guys. Guys, let's all welcome Ren with applauses, with a round of applause. We are so excited for you, Ren. Maraming salamat for you. Yuri, let's all welcome Robin Angeles. Robin, what's up? Hello.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat.
Good afternoon, Robin.
Saan
Yes, center ka muna dyan, Robin. Picture ka muna and take this moment. Let it sink in that we are finally in the season 2 of Amutiana section ni Robin. Any message para sa lahat ng mga tao na dito ngayon?
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng pumunta dito. Ito na, season 2 na. Yeah.
Section E, JJ Ashton Orgiga! Hello, Ashton. Picture ka for all the cameras here in this venue. Wow. The Nation's Mutia is finally back. A lot has happened since season 1 and now finally we're in season 2. Ashton, any message para sa mga tao nandito ngayon and to all our friends watching online?
Sa lahat po naman dito ngayon, sa lahat ng sumusupport ko sa amin online, syempre maraming salamat kasi sinamahan nyo kami simula cast review hanggang ngayon. Kaya thank you. Sana hindi kayo magsawa.
Of course, hindi ka magsasawa. Dami nangyari, no, Jay? Let's see what's gonna happen in season 2. Thank you so much, Ashton. Section A, ang infamous troublemaker. Pero, handa na ba siyang gawin ng lahat para sa kanyang minamahal? Tingnan natin, welcome back! Kiefer, give it up for the one and only Andres Mulak! Hello, Andres! What's up?
Hello, good afternoon sa inyong lahat.
Ayan. Okay, picture ka muna dyan, Kiefer, for all the cameras here. So all of our friends watching online, please share this video para mas marami pa tayong makasama sa ating media conference. Now, Andres, any message to all the fans out there globally, locally? Throw it away.
Ayun nga, I just wanted to say maraming salamat ulit to everyone that has supported ang Mutiana section E from around the world and especially back here in the Philippines. So thank you ulit.
Alam mo, sarap yung sinabi mong around the world. Kasi around the world talaga tayo sinusuportahan, no? Wow, what a big milestone for all of us. Maraming salamat, Andres. You can now take your seat, brother.
Talaga, kagabi may sinod po kami, di ba? May sinod po kami heavy scene. Grabe, ganyan yan.
Oh, wow. Natutuwa naman. Bigat ako doon. Kung may scene na alam mo, sa tingin ko talaga, I think I have to commend everyone in this cast really. Everyone really stepped it up this season and I really believe that. I think it's because the idea then that we all came from a lot of work before coming into season 2, so parang naging mas nasanay na kami sa work and we're a lot more comfortable and I really have to commend everyone here that we all just really stepped up and I really believe that you guys will get to see that in season 2 po.
Siguro kung masasabi ko is yung pinaka-tumatakot talaga sa akin is yung mga edits po talaga nila. Nag-e-effort po talaga sila na parang mag-edit. Tapos, alam niyo po yan, nakatulong din po kasi para i-promote po yung show namin. Kasi pinagulat namin yung season 1 na parang na-expect namin yung edit from here lang sa Philippines ganyan. Tapos, iba na yung buhay, parang nagbamas yung parang noodles na yung parang sa mga Indian, di ba? Grabe po, oo, grabe. Nagulat talaga kami, hindi namin na-expect, kaya sobrang thankful talaga kami. Kasi promise kami po lahat talaga, parang happy lang kami nagka-work. And yung tinanggap kami ng tao dito sa Pilipinas, tapos mas tinanggap pa rin kami ng tao sa ibang bansa, sobrang bonus po talaga.
We all have a belief of what our destiny should be or what we feel like we can achieve in our lives, right? And even when they say lightning doesn't strike twice, mahirap ulitin, mga ganon, I think it's really important that you know what's destined for you. And if you really believe that you can achieve great things, I really believe that if you set your mind to it, you really can.
Sige na! Sige na para minones din itong views na to.
Next time na, promise.
Hindi natin napilit, pero yan.
Rabid fans, yung makaka-apekto ba yun sa friendship nyo ni Andres? Or it's a healthy competition?
Ako po, hindi. Parang pagbalik po namin na magtitaping namin ng Mutya, parang na-miss pa nga po namin yung isa't isa eh. Talaga doon sa workshop po, may workshop po kasi kami kay Miss Ana Pileo, napag-usapan po namin yan kung nagbabasa-basa ba ako, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi simula po nung nagsisimula pa lang kami ng ang Mutya na Section E, sinasabi sa akin ni Andres, parang sinasabi ko po sa inyo lahat na parang kuya ko talaga yan. Kasi tinuturo talaga sa akin yan na huwag ka magbabasa ng mga comments masyado, ganyan-ganyan, para di ka naapektuhan. Kaya nung sa workshop namin, napag-usapan po namin yan na meron talagang times na may nababasa ako mga comments, tapos minsan nalulungkot po ako. Tapos parang ni-remind po niya ako dun sa workshop na yun na okay, game na ulit tayo, shoot na ulit tayo, huwag kang magbabasa-basa ng mga comments masyado para di ka na-apektuhan. Yan po, okay po kami.
What can you say, Andres?
Ayun nga, sa tingin ko din, like, when we come to work talaga, we're all friends really, and that's what was the beauty of ang Mutya ng Section E talaga, was the bond with everyone in the cast, and I think that's what brought the magic really. And kahit naman nag-aaway sila minsan, it's important to try not to look into it too much talaga, because at the end of the day, we're all friends really, and we enjoy each other's company, so parang really, at the end of the day, I don't see it that there's a rivalry, in all honesty. I see that they're just very supportive and they just want the best for us, and ayun.
Smile, find your places, there we go. Settled in, boom. Smile for the camera, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, can we all say Section E? 3, 2, 1, go! Section E! There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan natin ang cast ng Mutya ng Section E. You can now go back to your seats. Maraming salamat. Smile, smile. 1, 2, 3. Ng Section E episode by subscribing to Viva One for only 99 pesos per month, 269 for 3 months, 499 for 6 months, and for 1 whole year it's gonna be 949. Our media partners, maraming salamat as well. PBO Una Kalito, Viva Cinema, masayang balik-balikan. TMC Tagalize Movie Channel, Celestial Movies Pinoy, the biggest stars, the biggest blockbusters, Sari Channel, maraming salamat. Again, sa inyong lahat, are you guys happy? Are you guys happy? We are all happy here. Maraming salamat. This has been your host, CJ Vicencio. Thank you so much.